everyone, Jen here for Jen DeBell Designs and Country Craft Creations with you today. Today I'm going to do a little walkthrough and some explaining of my matting and such for my little mini travel album that I created using Echo Park's Into the Wild. Now, I had some snags with this. I did not make a prototype, and after making it, it was a little chunkier than I would have liked. So I did a video. My video actually will show you how to create all of the page system with a different size spine and a different spacing system with our pages. However, I will go over how to do it this way as well. There's only a couple of changes. So for starters, my cover, my base is 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. So heavy chipboard, you'll have, for this one, it's 2 5 1/4 by 7 1/4 pieces and 1 1.5 by 7 1/4. Now on the tutorial, this will be 2 1/2 to allot for the pages that I changed. If you like it this way, nice and snug, and, you know, less spacing, then you can make it that way. And to do that, the pages, the change in the pages would be, rather than what I show in the video, for the tutorial, you'll not only make your spine 2 1/2, but you will change your page system there. For this one, with the 1 1/2 inch spine, the papers that we will cut in the first, I will have a little snippet in there as well, would be 11 by 7, 10 1/2 by 7, and then 5 1/4 by 7, rather than what is shown in the tutorial. And again, I will note that. That will give you the 1/4 inch spaces that you will see in this one. So for the cover, I have used the solids that coordinate with the Echo Park Into the Wild, and I've cut them in segments. So the first one is a strip of the kind of teal blue, and that is 2 inches by 7 1/8, followed by the navy at 1 7/8 by 7. And then I just put a strip of the decorative paper at 1 3/4 by 6 7/8. And then I have a strip of the sticker here, and I added a little strip of yellow that is 3/4 of an inch by that 7 inch, so it matches up with the paper. The other side is a strip of the light blue that is 3 inches by 7 1/8, followed by red that is, well, let me just see here. Oh, it's 3 1/8, I apologize, by 7 1/8. And then 3 by 7, and the decorative paper is 2 7/8 by 6 7/8. The spine has for this one, it's 1 1/2. So we have 1 and, if I could see, 3/8 by 7 1/8. Oh, my sticker's coming loose. And then 1 1/4 by 7 for the green. And then I used the stickers here, one of the little squirrel stickers and the camp. I did the exact same thing with the same sizing for matting on the back cover. This is a piece of chipboard that was wrapped in the teal color, a piece of chipboard wrapped in Artisan Craft, and then we have some mats of green, white, and one of the cut aparts. One of the stickers here popped up with some foam, and then I did some fussy cutting for my little mountain scene on the top. Okay, so let's dive into this. I did a quick walkthrough, but I want to kind of show you more. What I have here is a stacked waterfall, and I will be placing a link below to Michelle Allen's stacked waterfall tutorial. She has lots of cool tips there. It's a fun way to make a waterfall. You can do it the traditional way where it's separate pieces, but this is a little easier in my opinion. So on my waterfall, I used white Artisan. And then I just have little 1/2 inch strips that go across the page. My waterfall is, it ended up being 4 7/8 in this one. It's a little different in the tutorial. And so 7 pages. I'm just going to flip that open. I have a little strip of paper here and then a tiny little pocket down here. Over here, I need to grab actually a piece of paper so I can show you. I did not make inserts for every portion of this book yet, but I really wanted to get this tutorial up and this walkthrough up for you. So this would have a photo mat underneath. So you just have a belly band here. Excuse me. Now for the page system, most of these I have double matted for most areas. So the pages are 5x7. And they will be 5x7 in the tutorial as well. The only difference, like I said, is you'll have a 1/4 inch space on the spine here, but you'll have 1/2 inch spaces in between your pages. So what we have for matting on all of the pages is going to be, if you double mat, 4 7/8 by 6 7/8, and then your 4 3/4 by 6 3/4 for the second one. On this next page here, I did this fun little pull-out system. Trying to make sure I get this all in the camera for you, which is not always the easiest. So it pulls out this way. I have a little photo mat here and some little 1-inch strips of leftover paper that I use to make these little tucks. And I've used the Artisan, well, I think it's Artisan, smooth white, the matting paper throughout this book for my mats, as well as some of my photo mats. This has a stacked pocket, and you can see I've just put some fun little inserts in here, as well as this fun one, with a little white on the back, little squirrel. And then it also opens this way. So you get these 2 panels as well. I popped up one of the 3x4s, and so you can tuck something in there. I made this album with the intention of it being like a travel memory album, so you can stuff different things from different places. This page here has a flip up, and there's a pocket on the front. And on here, I added 2 white pages and one of the little camera stickers. And again, a fun little insert. This one has some of the stickers, and then it also has a little tuck spot on the back. When you have leftover papers, like scraps that are like 1 inch, 1.5 inches, they're great for adding these little tuck spots. All you do is just glue around the outer edge, and it gives you that little tuck pocket, and I just love that, how easy that is. This next page, system, is 2 pages. In this one, I might have cut this a little different in the tutorial, but like I said, I had some problems with the video, and then I really wanted this to have more spacing in the middle, so in between the pages, so I just redid the video. Here we have a 4x4 popped up on paper, and we have a magnet in here. This flips open, and I have this fun little, I love these little 2x2s that they give you. They're just so cute. I cut it down a little bit. This has a little tuck element here, and I put one of the stickers there. Open this up. We have a sticker here, and some of the little star stickers, and then I have a little booklet for photos. It just closes like so, and on the other side, same thing, but this is with a 3x4. Open this up. We have this fun camp, little trailer. It flips open this way. One of the stickers flips down this way. And again, we have that little tuck pocket. Have fun when you go to decorate your pages, because I always keep a bin of my scraps. And that way I can just grab something and make a pocket out of it. It's so much fun. So here I have some of the little paw print stickers, and I took one of the 3x4s, cut it down, and made it a pocket here as well. Again, just a tuck pocket with the gluing on the outer edges. And this, with the magnet system, can flip this way, like so, or you can do it this way. It holds either way, however you like it. This next page here is just a vertical pocket. And I have added this fun little, it's one of the 4x6s. Here again, I used that same method with a piece of paper so that I had place to put it. This is a little extra page, so there's a total of 12 pages if you count this little extra guy. I will show in the tutorial how to make this and how to put it on, but this is just an extra little pocket page that's added to the middle. Fun little photo mat in there with a sticker popped up on there. And I should have probably put a sticker on the other side of it too, so that you had a visual on both sides, but I didn't. This page here, I used a die that I have in my stash to make this little postage stamp, and added the love to camp again with making a pocket with our scraps. I put that one there. This flips open, and there's a place here for for pictures, almost said for paper, and another vertical gusseted pocket there. This page has a flip up, and what I did here was I cut out a frame using a rectangle die, and I left the top open so that a picture could be slid in. I cannot talk today. So a picture could be slid inside of here. Very simple to add a picture, and these are easy to make. You just grab a rectangular die, cut a square out of your paper, and then just glue it down the sides like you would a tuck spot. Down here we have a pocket, and I've just added a few things in here, some photo mats, and this fun little one. I love this. This is from the 6x6, but it's super fun. This side we have another vertical gusseted pocket. I threw a photo mat in there. And then on the back here, we have a double belly band. And I have a couple different things that I've stuck in here. Again, cute little thing from the 6x6. I am one of those that has to have like all of the things. So when I buy a collection, I want everything. I want the 6x6. I want whatever's available. The 8x8, if there's one. I just like having it all. So these will sit in just like that. It was kind of messy in my video when I put it down, but this is how it was intended to look. So you have all that on there. This back, I put some stickers. I love the camper. Now in the tutorial, I made this pocket smaller. So I'm going to tell you, this one, the original pocket, is a 5 by 4.5. And I cut this down, I believe to 3.5 in my tutorial. And the tutorial, I did this all in white paper, using the basic white paper, just to show you how to make it with the 1/2-inch spaces. So then I have some photo mats that pop out. This one has a little belly band in it, so you could slide something. Again, scraps. And you can put these in either way. This one I used a sticker to pop it up. I didn't put any white paper on the back of that. I just realized, and I should have, so I'm not quite sure why I did not. But I love that little s'more season. This collection has some really cute stickers. And then I have used this 1-inch red and black check, which will be, oops, I forgot to put one of my things in. We'll just put that in there, and that'll work. I will put a link to all of the things that I used in this album, so that you can replicate it. Again, I'm just going to say it one more time, and I will probably say it in my tutorial as well. This book has 1/4-inch spaces in the page system. And this is not a hinge system. This was just paper folded and stacked like you would a waterfall, to make the pages. This one has 1/4 inches and a 1.5-inch spine. In the tutorial, I do 1/2-inch spaces with a 2.5-inch spine. Okay, so on to the tutorial. I hope you guys get this paper while it lasts. If you're a camper or you like to go fishing or any of those types of things, this is perfect paper to make a book of memories. So until next time, bye-bye. Have a great day.